guys, thanks for joining me and welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to share with you this beautiful Glam Monogram beauty tray, or it could be a makeup tray or a catch-all tray, but it would make a great gift. So if you are interested in seeing how I did this, keep watching. So here I'm going to use this cutting board that I picked up from my dollar store. This is a little bit bigger than the ones in the Dollar Tree. So I'm just wiping it down, just removing any fingerprints or any grease that may be on it. I'm going to be using these 4 napkin rings from the Dollar Tree, silver bling wrap I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to be using these gemstone stickers that I picked up from my dollar store. These are a little bit smaller. And again, I got these from my dollar store, not the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to apply them to the center of the napkin ring. After flipping my cutting board over, I'm going to use a little hot glue and apply the 4 napkin rings to the bottom. I'm using those as the feet to this board. Now I'm going to apply the silver flowered bling wrap to the outer perimeter of the board. Using the gemstone bling wrap that I picked up from my dollar store, I'm going to apply that outside to the outer perimeter of this board, just to give it a little extra glam. After I finish doing this, I'm going to use that same gemstone sticker wrap and I'm going to apply it to the edge of the cutting board. I saw that this gemstone sticker wasn't adhering to the outer perimeter of the board, to the edge of the board, so I used a little bit of hot glue to ensure that it would stay glued to the board. Now I'm applying silver glittered washi tape to the candle. I'm going to apply 2 strips just to create a border about an inch wide. I'm going to use a little hot glue at the end of the washi tape. Now I'm applying a single strip of the silver flowered bling wrap to the center of the washi tape. Next, I'm going to be using this silver glittered lettering, and I'm going to apply it to the center of the board, creating a monogram. I wish the lettering was a little bit bigger, but as it stands now, this is the only size that they had, so I'm going to use this. But this did come out rather lovely as a monogram tray. And I had to go back in and adjust the letter O because it wasn't even. So now I'm going to use the Dollar Tree gemstone stickers, and I'm going to apply it to the outer edge of the silver washi tape on the candles just to give it a little bit more glam. And guys, that's it. This is the final project. Came out really beautiful. I absolutely love this as a Mother's Day gift. This is a beautiful Glam Monogram beauty tray. Came out really lovely. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.